I've been on quite a tear when it comes to my new courses in my revenue lab because I want to see you win. I want to see you succeed. So, right now, I'm announcing my brand new course, First Impressions. This course is actually really cool, and I'm excited to have this in front of you. So, this is my landing page right now, and it's kind of meta because it's about your landing page. First impressions, your lead magnet, your sales page or your landing page, and your VSL. Say VSL in the chat if you're with me. VSL right here. That stands for Video Sales Letter. There's so many times that I look at entrepreneurs' websites or I'm sent something by them and their landing pages are just not landing. A. What that means is that first impression that I'm getting from their sales and their offer is really jumbled and confusing. Maybe it's a website, maybe it's an old school website, maybe it's a Google page. It's something that is not telling me immediately what you're selling, what you're offering, even if it's a lead magnet. So I decided to make this really amazing course. It's not just a course, though. This is the best part. It's not just me teaching you stuff. It's essentially me laying out what's going on, what I need you to have so that you can make that first impression and get those sales. But the best part is I actually hand you a custom GPT that you can use to create all of your lead magnets. There's unlimited amount of lead magnets you can create with the prompts that I give you, the custom GPT that I made for you, and that I'm continuing to train. Your lead magnets, all of your sales page copy, and your scripts for your video sales letters, which are basically videos of any length. I've seen 2 minute ones work, I've seen 2 hour long ones work. But I give you the scripts that you need to make your video sales letter pop. And you can record it on your laptop or on your phone, add it to your sales page, which I show you exactly how to build, and you can be selling by tonight. This is all meant to have you have this all created in under 2 hours if you want. Just copy, paste, and launch. So come check it out. I have it for a crazy price right now, just for a few hours to celebrate the launch of it. And I want to see you win. So check it out. Let me know in the comments what you want me to build next when it comes to my courses, and I'll see you there.